Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are take off this weather strip on Toyota RAV4. First, let's take off this inner rubber seal gently, and we made access to the outside weather strip. And what I tried, just put my fingers in, try bend it out. You will feel, and then there is a V-shade plastic. What I just show you a second. This V-shade, when you turn it out, press it and then just turn it off, and everything come off without any damage and save a lot of money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.